Hello babies! Woohoo! Off to the Copen Zoo.
Yes.
I know it's not the perfect time to go to a zoo because it's gloomy and rainy today, but we don't have a choice. It's what's on our study plan and we have to continue with it. Going inside now, the zoo. Hi ma'am, it's for my vlog.
I'm going to show you how to hold all the animals, and then afterwards you're going to try to hold them yourself for a little bit, and then we're going to try to do an exercise after. The turtle has, or tortoise I think it's called, I'm not sure of all the English names, forgive me, but they have some parasites on the shield and body that are dangerous to the other reptiles. So this is the same as with the other. Don't touch the head a lot. Of course, if it moves its head and it comes towards you, it's fine for it. It's the snake touching you with its head, not the other way around, so it's fine.
He wants to go out. He's so cutie.
It's bigger.
Oh, that's cute. Your turn, Chelsea. Yeah.
It's very... It's light, right? So... we're changing into another bus. It's here. Goy Forest naman siya.
Raadvad is a very old village. It is actually a village that is known for its industry. We are a bit late in Denmark. It takes about 1 month before.
So we have an activity right now. We have to look for 12 items in the forest alone for like 10 minutes. That's why I am on my way to the deep forest. And these are the things that I need to find for 10 minutes. So yeah, 12 items. I hope I get to find them before the time ends.
What is beautiful? What's beautiful over here? And well,
Is it heavy? Huh? Is it heavy?
I'm so strong.
Yeah, I remember you go to the gym. Hi, Emmanuel. Is it heavy?
It's very heavy.
You're not used to bringing like
Yeah.
woods?
Good.
Okay. Hi, is it heavy?
Yes,
How about that?
it's heavy.
Can we do a bonfire when it's like this rainy?
We're gonna see it.
What are you guys bringing?
Cotton oil.
Oh, okay. You're bringing the food, so you're the most important people. Finally, we found a shelter to cook and warm ourselves up.
Also very famous, but in Denmark we mostly
Call
know
center
it as
girl, BPO industry.
awake now and getting up and ready for the next season. And some of the plants, as you see them here, are cranberries.
Are you staying there? Cranberries. Okay, ko dahil. The herbs that Uli is getting.
I'm not sure that over. But that was it for the deer hunting.
Yeah, that's like the.
I would love to be there. Can I just keep doing it?
Yeah. So,
So it's not very close to Brussels.
45-minute drive. I'm
To
kind of
make
happy
food
with it.
with target groups like children or youngsters, nature is something I love very much because everybody loves food.
nature walk. Legit siyang nature walk dahil